Insurance companies quotes online. The economic crisis may be on its way out. The past 2 quarters were bad not just for companies but also for individuals who either lost their jobs or suffered salary cuts. If you were the only earning member in the family, nothing could be worse. Commodity prices are rising by the day and utility bills are also climbing. Amid all this, you have to also pay your health insurance premium. But wait till you put it aside. Keep it as a top priority in these tough times. When the economic crisis came, there were at least a dozen experts who had predicted it. Market studies always show that if the markets see a rise for some years, then a fall cannot be far. However, there were ways to insulate oneself and organizations from it. But can you predict when you are going to fall ill? With the unpredictable nature of illnesses, there creeps in a concern of affordable health care. You may know which the best hospital in town is, but are you ready to pay the medical bills? Or do you have some policy backing you? It becomes important to pick and choose a policy from the bunch available and be ready for any eventuality. And if you don't fall ill, it's still a good investment. You can even get a tax exemption on it. You may be lucky if you reside in a state that has federally funded healthcare centers where you pay what you can afford based on your income. Such a website boasted of services such as checkups when you are well, treatment when sick, total care when pregnant, checkups and immunizations for children, dental care and prescription drugs, and even mental health and substance abuse therapy. But again, you'd be lucky to get subsidized services like these. So the option would be to join a medical insurance which will give you affordable health care in these times of high costs. There is no age limit to join these policies. However, the earlier you do, the better. Your cover amount and diseases are likely to reduce with age. You should understand that with rising hospital costs, health insurance costs also rise. But the problems with health insurance policies are not just costs. For instance, there are cancelable policies where the insurer can cancel the policy if the insured falls ill too many times. Though it sounds unfair, such policies exist. So choose a non-cancelable policy where the company cannot cancel the policy as long as the insurer pays the premium. Go through the policy documents carefully before you accept it. Most importantly, understand what diseases the policy insures and what it doesn't. Also find out when the cover begins, whether it is immediately when you start paying the premium or there is some other time limit. Affordable healthcare is not easy. But along with trying to be healthy, you should make arrangements for medical care if needed. There is a fact that anybody taking a policy should understand. Do not try and use fraudulent means to acquire money from the company. You may lose your policy benefits then.